Welcome to linuxhelp.com. In this session, we will see how to install and configure Joomla CMS on Fedora 34. Joomla is a free and open source content management system that allows the publishing of web content. The software is built on a model view controller framework for web application that is independent of a CMS, allowing you to build powerful online application. Now I'm going to check my OS version. Use this command cat space /edc /os-release. Press enter. This is my OS version Fedora 34. I'm going to install Joomla. I'm taking this download link from Joomla official site. Use wget to download this link. Package installed, and then I'm going to unzip. Mention here package name and mention directory -d space /directory /www/Joomla. Press enter. And then I'm going to give owner name and group name. Use this command chown space capital R Apache Apache /var/www/Joomla, and then I'm going to give permission. Use chmod capital R 755/var/www/Joomla, and then I'm going to open Apache configuration file. Use this command vim/edc/httpd/conf.d/joomla.conf. I'm going to create virtual host. Use this following command. Save and exit. And then I'm going to restart Apache. Use this command systemctl restart httpd. Press enter, and then I'm going to open host entry file. Use this command vim/edc/host. Press enter. Here enter your IP and your domain name. Then save and exit. Now I'm going to create database. Use this command mysql-u space root-b. Press enter. Enter here password. Here I'm going to create database name. Create database Joomla. Press enter, and then I'm going to use this command. Use Joomla. Press enter, and then create user. This is username Joomla user, and enter password here. Press enter, then create privileges. Grant all privileges and Joomla.star. Then blush privileges. Press enter, then exit. Now I'm going to restart Apache systemctl, restart HTTPD. I'm going to browser, open Firefox, and enter your domain name here. linuxhelp123.com. See here, our Joomla installer page is opened. I'm going to give my domain name here, linuxhelp123.com. Set login, and then going to give username admin, and set password and give Gmail ID. Set database. This is database creation section. You enter your username here. I enter here Joomla user. Then enter password here. Select your database and click here. Page is loading. See here, our Joomla is successfully installed. Congratulations, Joomla site is ready. I am going to open this. If you want to add any language, you can select here. Now go to next. See here, this is main page for Joomla. This is dashboard page. Our Joomla is successfully installed on Fedora 34.
Thank you for watching this video, and if you like it, please subscribe to our channel. To learn more tutorials, stay tuned to www.linuxhelp.com. If you have any queries, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.